like London is itself. Meatopia is a real melting pot for cuisine and cooking outdoors over fire. But the interesting bit is that where wood has become beyond just a fuel source, has become part of the ingredients. We've gone away from just grilling stuff over wood. We can do things like we can pair match certain wood with certain food. It's the iteration of cooking and fire together. So much with like the produce at Meatopia, with the food we cook, we like to have the same ethos with the trees. We use all of the tree, so we have a whole root to shoot mentality about it. And what we're after, because it's the part we're going to burn, is this top part of the canopy. It's like things like this. This is just a waste product of the production. And so we keep all this stuff for chefs. So it's about us creating that whole ability to use the fire and its surrounding heat for the whole cook. And it fundamentally is about the canon of cooking. It's about real cuisine. That's the whole history of cooking.